Imagine a world where machines can think, learn, and make decisions just like a human. What would that look like? Welcome to the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, where technological dreams are turning into reality. Artificial intelligence, or AI as it's commonly known, is a branch of computer science that aims to create systems capable of performing tasks that usually require human intelligence. These tasks range from understanding natural language to recognizing complex patterns, making decisions, and even learning from past experiences. The first thing to understand about AI is that it's not just one thing. It's a broad field that encompasses several different technologies, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. At the heart of AI are algorithms, which are essentially sets of rules or instructions that a computer follows to solve a problem. These algorithms can be simple or complex, depending on the task at hand. For instance, a simple algorithm might tell a computer how to sort a list of numbers, while a complex one might help it understand a piece of text or an image. Machine learning, a subset of AI, takes this a step further. Here, instead of programming a computer to do specific tasks, you give it a set of data and let it learn from that data. The computer uses this data to create its own algorithms, which it then uses to make predictions or decisions. A good example of machine learning in action is recommendation algorithms used by streaming services. These algorithms analyze your viewing habits and use that information to suggest other movies or TV shows you might like. Another important concept in AI is neural networks. Inspired by the human brain, these networks consist of layers of interconnected nodes or neurons, each of which processes a small part of the data. The output of one layer becomes the input for the next, allowing the network to learn complex patterns and make sophisticated decisions. Deep learning, another subset of AI, uses neural networks with many layers, hence the term deep. This allows the system to learn from large amounts of data and make highly accurate predictions. AI is already having a profound impact on our lives, from personalizing our online experiences to revolutionizing industries like healthcare, finance, and transportation. But it also raises important ethical and societal questions, such as how to ensure fairness and accountability in AI systems, and how to prevent them from being used for harmful purposes. In summary, AI is a complex and multifaceted field that combines various technologies to create systems capable of performing tasks that normally require human intelligence. It's not just about creating machines that can think like humans, but also about leveraging these technologies to solve real-world problems and make our lives better. At the same time, it's crucial to address the ethical and societal challenges posed by AI to ensure that it benefits everyone and is used responsibly. So next time you interact with a digital assistant, get a movie recommendation, or even drive a modern car, remember, you're experiencing the power of AI. And this is just the beginning. The future of AI holds endless possibilities, and it's a future we're all a part of.